Hello everyone, here is Barry from Lazy Lighting. In this video, I will show you how this RGB DMS near straight I have is used to achieve different lighting effects with this simple address editor. This near light tray is DMS RGB and have 3 channels, red, green and blue, with 8 pixels per meter. The address editor I have here has one output and can edit one LED strip at a time, supporting a maximum of 512 pixels. Therefore, this editor can edit a near strip in my hand that spans up to 21 meters. Let's walk through a demonstration.